What is up, you guys? Welcome back or to the channel. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for those who are always returning. So you guys, today is going to be a productive mom day in my life. My morning has already started off pretty hectic. Face still beat though. As you can see, my baby girl, I got her in, whatever this is called, carry swing or whatever. She's definitely tired. Yeah, and let's just say she's super clingy, she's gassy, and she had a major blowout. Okay, so it's just a lot going on. I was also just trying to get myself together as well. So yeah, my friend is coming over, super excited. She's gonna take me to do some mom errands. I appreciate her so much. So that's what today is going to be about, but I will not be bringing this big camera. I will be using my phone. We have so many things to get. I feel like having a child, like, things always run out. Okay, one thing we don't run out of is diapers, thank God, because we buy it by the bulk. I'm talking about body wash, lotion. Thank God my boobs are free, okay, because we don't run out of milk because she's on the boob. Laundry detergent, also laundry detergent for us, food, like it's just a lot that we have to get, but we're not gonna get too much. Clearly she's gonna be in the carrier today because again, she's tired. She's actually falling asleep right now. I had to give her a bath, and like I said, my morning was pretty chaotic, and it's already 1:26. I already feel like the day is over. On top of today is gonna be a content day because like I said, my friend is coming to get me and we're shooting content together. So make sure y'all subscribe to my girl Vanna's Corner. Follow her on Instagram. Like, my girl, she out there. Like, she do what she needs to do. If you like pop culture, lifestyle, definitely follow her, subscribe to her channel. But that's what today's gonna be, so make sure you guys stay tuned and let's go. Okay, I'm sorry, I stopped right in the middle. We got the laundry. I buy all for her, the clean version, because I don't want it to be scented. We get Gain here, sorry. And then I'm looking for the fabric softener, which I think is on the other side. Hi to my friend. This is Savannah. I told them about you in the beginning of the video already. So yeah, this is the one that you subscribe to. Get this. Thank you, girly pop. Of course, tissue, because we're always running out of tissue. Yes, this is my aisle. My mom is the one who put me on to Cottonelle. That's the crazy part. Because I used to use Angel Soft, and then I used to use Scott's. The Scott's is kind of thin.
We always use Scott.
Like,
I've never used Cottonelle.
she put me onto this Cottonelle, but I like this one because it's not too thick. I hate thick tissue. I don't know. It's like, ew. And I love Charmin's, but Charmin's kind of thick too. Yeah, I'm like, There we go. And then what else? I feel like I'm missing something. Let me check my actual question. Ready? Come here, friend. Nah, I'm scared. Are you ready for a baby?
That's a jokey joke. Go ahead.
The serious with the jokey joke.
No.
Shopping in the baby section. She gets baby fever, but then it like goes away.
Yeah, and then it does go away.
It goes away, and it's like, I understand. I do.
The problem is reality be kicking in like, girl, what baby are you bringing in this world right now?
It's hard. It's enjoyable, but it's hard.
I believe it.
I really feel like you would definitely crash out.
Yes, I would. It's so cute though, like looking at the stuff.
It is, like, just looking at the baby section. I always used to be like, oh my gosh, one day, blah, blah, blah. And then
Now look. Exactly. Exactly. One day, the day is today.
The day is definitely today. My little muffin. They don't have Mustela in here, and that makes me sad.
What is that?
It's a like clean brand of like what I use for her lotion, body wash, and stuff. And her skin be glowing. I used to use Aveeno until I found out about Mustela on TikTok. It's a French brand. Like it's the Koreans, the French brand. They be having the clean stuff. Like, and she was getting like some bumps on her face, and when I used it, it went away in 3 days. I said, oh yeah, we're gonna stick to that. She's a Mustela baby. She's a Mustela baby. Okay. She just blocked us, so we're gonna go out the way.
So this is the body monster y'all was talking about.
Girl, you know.
Is it just good electrolyte?
Yeah, it's literally an energy drink, but it's not the monster energy drink. It is. It's for electrolyte to have coconut water in it. It keeps you hydrated. I only like the fruit punch. That's just me personally.
I like the strawberry banana one that Mom gave me.
So then, yeah, you would probably like it. You would definitely. I be having to stay electrolyted up because your girl breastfeed, and it zaps all my energy. Okay, it really does. Look at y'all. This is $24.
I'm sorry, I don't know what y'all doing over here.
Bro.
$9, maybe 15.
I'm telling you. Bro, when I tell you it costs too much to breathe in and out, it's crazy. It's crazy. And because now we're gonna get the $14 pack because y'all wowed out. Like, and then look how small the 14 pack is. Savannah. And this is what I'll be saying. And then when I go to BJ's, this is the thing. I don't shop with everything by the bowl. So I will go there just for meats.
Okay.
And then go separately, which I don't mind doing.
It's not bad. My mom does both.
Cause
She gets like water and stuff because it makes more sense.
bro, I can't. Yeah, like, and then we had what was it? Sam's Club. I didn't like it. We had Sam's Club for a year.
How is that? Because
I revoked the
Mom goes
membership.
there.
I don't know because it wasn't the hype that I thought it was gonna be. Like,
Lily drives like an hour out and they go there.
friend, she pushed the cart.
This is a workout for me. You know I have no upper body strength. So.
Yo, okay, so this works. This definitely works. Yeah, she's helping mommy out.
It's them leaving a flyer on my car.
Oh,
Like why? Why are we doing that?
what they said? Sunday daycare. Okay, but she don't have a child. It's like they seen me get out the car. Look at that there. Not Sunday. That first one, I'm not putting my kid in daycare. Look at this.
I get it.
It's the grip for me.
Like, where you go?
Hi, mama. Hi. You want to release your fingers? No? Not even a little? No? Okay. It's funny? That's funny, mama? Yeah. All right, see, listen. She's being a Velcro baby right now. Right now, we're going to shoot some content. My friend is leaving. See you soon, mama. Love you.
I love you. Bye, guys.
Bye. And little Miss Honor is sleeping. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is playing in the back. But yes, I got some much needed girl time. I appreciate my girl for coming so much because, like, again, I'm always in mommy mode. And I just, need to just, see my girl sometimes. So I appreciate her for coming. Love you, girly. And baby girl is asleep, but she needs a bath. But right now, I need to take this opportunity to try to put her down, and hopefully she doesn't wake up because I need to pump. I definitely feel my boobs are full, and I only pumped one time today. So yeah, that's a problem. Yeah, and I will be ending this video out today. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.